But some man kind of coward. You know if it turn the woman back way and give him the lizard lap and give him the back shot. You understand?
If you have a matic for wave to looking at the pocket, we have a license plate of wire ramp on our Fred for busting.
Big up PJable TV. Big up PJable TV.
You think abortion right?
No man. No man. Me not believe in it, man. Right? No. You see, when a woman just don't share period, you can put on any amount of fucking a man, Pierre, that the 2 week. He not in that 2 week now when it come down, you have to watch it. You see? Because when the woman then near fishing period, in one head, you know, in him there, and no fake you have, you know, but when in data come, one of them start get ripe. And when as in date come, it bust and burn up her room and him have to pass out that blood. And anyhow, when in the near fishing period, you fuck her, your sperm go there and go fertilize that egg where the near for ripe, you know, and bust it to her ass clot and she breathe and you she on a period fishing on again in a master. Right? So if you really want to get fuck woman and not breed them, you have to know when, where and how we are, sir. Right? Because when they near fishing them period, then easy for breed. Easy.
Somebody not tell me. I don't mean to cut you like that. Somebody not tell me about this story where this woman catch her husband and watch Blue movie and she never like it. So she left him she divorced him for that. What do you think about that?
Well, you said the husband watch Blue movie.
The woman catch him and watch Blue movie and she left him because of that.
So, come. Me no understand that. Then man, no experience, man. Come now. Then why then send it on front page? She couldn't blame the man. Why the system send these things over front page? It's not the man alone. It's fucking up because little Pitney hide and watch that damn thing. And there is the quickest one to try it because they must say if it never right, the elder one them wouldn't send it, can't show them, right? So what you doing? She's stupid. You understand? Unless you catch the man with a woman, then I do as well. You see Blue movie, I do, right? But that can be no effect to neither she nor the man.
But maybe she has say the man no find her attractive enough no more, so he must watch Blue movie to get him kicked on, you know.
No, but the man can get all style from the Blue movie, you know. Some man only fuck one way telling broke, you know, brother. And when you have fuck woman, you have to turn them all two, three different in position, you know, right? And she say you have village ram, she have roost and a joke with them, you know, man, right? You understand? But some man kind of coward, you know if it turn the woman back way and give him the lizard lap and give him the back shot. You understand? Yeah, man, and some man's killing up. So that's why, man, we take man here in because some man, a woman teach man to fuck, you know, right? Because if the woman pass through enough man and you not pass through amount of woman, she can teach you. But some of them bad mind and cubbish because they don't want the fuck sweet you that much. You know, so they will just lay down dead. You understand? Yeah, man. What happened, you know, I just said now, that lady, she had take things too rash, man, right? Because I thought she should look on it, say, why the elder people them doing the young generation these things. There is the quickest one to go over to these things because them live by imagination, you know. So although some of them may be a development entertainment, them imagine says truth, you know. Because when we look and see one man in the woman body hole, one in a pussy hole, one in a mouth, me say, God, don't kill him, go kill her now, right? Me said, no man, then why they send it, no care how they careful. The child them go and hide and see these things, right? The man a look on the thing. That shouldn't be no effect to her unless she have a wit, a fault over the man already, right? Unless she have a wit against the man already. Everybody is scammer. From you buy something for $50 and I sell it back for $60, you're a fucking scammer. So the whole fucking world is scammer, right? When you say you look profit, right? No rob people. No people you look for live off. You must find the extra for you. After you pay $50 for it, you're going to sell it for $70 or $80. Come now. It's the whole fucking world is robbery. You see who? Yeah, so the man them make the money, them is the biggest fucking thief. So they don't want breed no animal and do no farming and mix no matter and then sit there. You know, see, these fucking wicked bitch, them come together and find out they can turn down on the world and live off of the world. A long time it have gone from down, way down, you know, man. The man, them say them a king and them a priest and prophet and all and sit there. And right now, you hear what Selassie say? Selassie say if it is 100 man and 99, I go choose one and put him on throne and crown him king and give him kingly support. That is the one who start the ranks because another man they will get jealous and want a kingly support too. So it's no king over each other, right?
Amen, amen.